The physical aspects of palming are very beneficial with the increased circulation in all the muscles around the eyes, the warmth and the relaxation to help eliminate eye strain and other physical aspects of the vision. But to take palming to the next level and turn it into actually a vision improvement practice, it helps to involve the mind. Because if you just palm and your mind isn't focused, or you're distracted or thinking about what you need to do later, it sort of defeats the purpose of the palming. So, to help focus the mind, I'll guide you through a short little visualization. And don't really try too hard to see anything. Just allow whatever comes to come. Don't really be worried about if you're doing it right or doing it wrong. Just feel free to just listen to my voice and either follow along with me or allow it to gently guide you. In the visualization, we're going to involve not only the sense of sight, but all the other senses. So we're going to try and incorporate hearing, smell, touch, and taste to heighten all the senses. And we'll also involve movement and focusing on things up close and in the distance. So first you can start by visualizing that you're walking barefoot on a sandy path. The path is about 3 feet wide, and on either side of you is dense bushes. The sun is shining, and you can feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. It's a nice blue sky. There's a few white puffy clouds moving slowly in the sky. And you can hear in the distance some seagulls. And as you continue walking up the sandy path, you can feel the surface of the sand right when your foot touches the ground is warm from the sun, but then right underneath that is cool. So just feel the sand in between your toes. And the path has a slight incline, so you make your way up this tiny dune, and right when you get to the top, you see the ocean, and you can hear the waves crashing. You can take a big breath in and smell the salt in the air, any other smells you might associate with the beach, the ocean. So from the top of this little dune, you just scan the horizon, the flat curvature of the earth as far out as your eyes can see. Way off in the distance, on the horizon, you can spot a few fishing boats, a shrimp boat, and one tiny little boat even further out. Perfectly clear. And then you continue walking down the dune and just walking along the beach. You can sort of set the scene on your own and see what color the water is, how the sand feels, if there are any other people on the beach or if it's just you. And you make your way up to the water, and you can just start walking along where the waves are meeting the land, so the cool water is rising up, touching your feet and passing back out. And then you look down and you see a beautiful seashell. So you reach down and pick it up, hold it in your hand and bring it very close to your face and examine it. Look at all the fine little details. What colors do you see in the seashell? What shape is it? Is it smooth or rough? Feel it in your hand, on your skin, if there's any sand on it. So you can finish examining your beautiful seashell up close, and then you look out towards the water and you toss your beautiful seashell out into the water and you watch it make a splash, and then you watch the ripples expand. And you begin walking back up the beach, and there you spot a very inviting looking hammock hung between two trees. So you approach the hammock. You can still see some birds circling in the sky. And you get in your hammock and give yourself a little push and just lay back and relax and swing in the hammock, looking up at the warm breeze passing through the leaves. Even though the leaves are a little far away, up in the tree, you can still see them perfectly clear, crisp edges, bright colors. And you can spend some time swinging in your hammock.